Hello grade students, I hope that you are doing well. In this video we'll continue with the law of addition of voltages. As we already said, that in a series connection, the voltage across the battery is equal to the sum of the voltages across all the electric appliances. To apply the rule, I have to just follow consecutive points using the circuit. In the circuit, we have a battery. We have a closed switch. In the previous video we didn't have a switch, now we have a closed switch, and we have two lamps. Let's apply the law of addition of voltages. UPN is equal to UPA, UAB plus UBC plus UCN. This K is not a point in the circuit, okay? It's the symbol of the switch. So UPA, it is crossed out. Why? Since it is a closed switch and the closed switch acts as a connecting wire. So here's another rule. The voltage across a closed switch is always equal to 0. Why? Since a closed switch acts as a connecting wire. Okay, so we cross it out. UAB, it is the voltage across the first lamp. UBC, the voltage across the second lamp. UCN, it is a connecting wire, so it's crossed out. It's equal to 0. So UPA equals to 0, it's a closed switch, it acts as a wire. Please, you have to study this rule. And UCN is equal to 0, it's a connecting wire. You also have to study this rule. Another example, UPN. Let's apply the law of addition of voltages to this circuit. UPN is equal to UPA plus UAB plus UBC plus UCD plus UDN. We just followed the points. UPA is crossed out. Why? Since between P and A we have a closed switch. And as we said before, a closed switch acts as a connecting wire. And the voltage across a closed switch is equal to 0. Why? Since a closed switch acts as a connecting wire. So it's crossed out. UAB, we keep it. UBC, we keep it. UCD, we keep it. UDN is crossed out. Why? Since it's a connecting wire. Here's an example. Referring to the figure, calculate the voltage across the battery. I have to calculate UPN. UAB is given, the voltage across the first lamp is given, and UBC is given, the voltage across the second lamp is given. So let's apply the law of addition of voltages. UPN is equal to UPA plus UAB plus UBC plus UCN. Okay, UPA is crossed out. Why? Since it's a closed switch and a closed switch acts as a connecting wire. UAB, we replace it with 4 volts. UBC, we replace it with 3 volts. They are given. UCN is also crossed out. Why? Since it's a connecting wire. So UPN equals to 4 plus 3 equals to 7 volts. Example 2. Referring to the figure, calculate UAB. We have to calculate the voltage across the 2 points A and B. What do we have between these 2 points? We have a lamp. It's an electric appliance. So let's calculate, since it's a series connection, we have to apply the law of addition of voltages. UPN equals to UPA plus UAB plus UBC plus UCN. Again, we just follow the points in the circuit. UPA is crossed out. We have a closed circuit. We have a closed switch. So it acts as a connecting wire. So we cross it out. We replace UAB is given. No, we have to calculate UAB. UBC is given. We cross UCN out since it's a connecting wire. So UPN equals to UAB plus UBC. We have to calculate UAB. So UAB equals to UPN minus UBC. 16 volts minus 6 volts equals to 10 volts. If you add the voltage across AB and the voltage across BC, you will get the voltage across the battery, which is 16 volts. 10 plus 6 equals to 16. Example 3, referring to the figure, calculate UBC. I have to calculate the voltage across these 2 points. We have the second lamp here. UPN is given, UAB is given. We just apply the law of addition of voltages to get the answer. So UPN equals to UPA plus UAB plus UBC plus UCN. Again, I just followed the points in the circuit. UPA is crossed out. Why? Since it's a closed switch. the closed switch acts as a connecting wire, so it's 0. UCN is crossed out since it is a connecting wire, so it's also a 0. UPN equals to UAB plus UBC. We have to calculate UBC. It's UPN minus UAB equals to 12 volts minus 4 volts equals to 8 volts. When you add the voltage across the two lamps, you will get the voltage across the battery. That's it for today. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me, and please don't forget to copy all the notes on your copybooks. I hope to see you all very soon.